Hey, what's up everyone? It's Bobby. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your own free iBooks and free magazines for viewing in the iBooks application on your iOS device. So you can use this on your iPhone with the OS 4.0. You can use this on your iPad. You can use this on your iPod Touch. As long as you guys have the OS 4.0 and the iBooks application, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get your own free books and free magazines. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you guys see right here, this is my eBooks library right now, and you guys can see I have all the Harry Potter books and all the Artemis Fowl books and a couple other demo books that I wanted to try out. And I do own all these books, but I'm going to show you guys how you can get any book basically for free and a lot of really great magazines for free. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is just a website that has lots of free downloads, and you can download lots of free books. This is totally legal. I'll just show you this website real quick and I'll show you how it's used. So it's called EpubBooks.com. Now for those of you who don't know, Apple uses the ebook standard .epub, so that is the format, so that's called EPUB. So you go to your device, you can read about it or whatever, and so you can go home, and then right here, down here, there's like new ebooks, hot downloads, recommended. You can look around, choose an ebook of choice, anything you want. I'm sure you can search around the site. Just go check it out. So here's a recommended Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So you can just click download EPUB. Some of them will make you pay for it, some of them will not. There are a lot of good free classic books. Now, to be honest, I don't really read any of the books that are on this site, but I just wanted to throw it out there that this is an option. I'm going to be showing you guys multiple options on how to get free ebooks today, and this is one of them. So if I wanted to download this, you click download. It downloads already in EPUB format, and then it'll be on your desktop, and you just click it and drag it right into your books tab, which you just go right up here, and you just click and download it right into your books. And as you guys see, I have it right here, and it is on my iPhone, and you can view it. So that's the first thing. So the first method is EpubBooks.com. The link will be in the description, so check it out. Now, the second thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how to get free magazines on your iPhone, and your iPad, and your any iOS device. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this website called worldmags.net. They have lots and lots of free magazines, a lot of men-only magazines, if you guys catch my drift. And they also have lots of great tech magazines, science magazines, and they're all really new. It's not like you're looking at last year's editions. You're looking at this year, 2010, July, August. You're getting all the latest magazines. So this is the magazine I chose to download, Mac user. This is from July 2010. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it right up here, the little link. Click on it. It'll give you some information, and it gives you 3 different download links. So it doesn't really matter what you click on, but I suggest if you're going to download multiple magazines at a time, you start with hot file, and then the next magazine you download start with Unibyte, and then the next one go do deposit files, because most of these websites, they'll only let you if you use the free registered, like the free user. Most of these websites will make you wait like 60 seconds between each download or something like that. So it's better to switch it up so that way you leave time in between repeating websites. So that was just a little quick tip. So just click on one of these. It'll take you to a page like this. It'll prompt you to ask you if you want to hold on. It'll prompt you to ask you if you want to use the fast VIP, which you have to pay for, or the free. You click free, and it gives you, you have to wait 60 seconds before you get the download link, and it says that it'll take more than 7 minutes. It took me less than that. It was really quick, but they're just trying to make it seem really worth it to go with the VIP. So download your magazine, and it'll download in a .rar file, so .rar. Now you're going to need an application that is able to open a .rar file, and for example, one right here is Springy. I'll put a link to download this application in the bottom, or you can use WinRAR. There's many different options. Whatever you have will most likely work. but this is the one I use just because it's the first one I downloaded. I mean, there might be a better one, and if you do know of a better one, please leave a comment below. I'm interested to know. But this is Springy. So when you download the magazine, here it is right here. So Mac use, it's just kind of like this weird cryptic name. So what you're going to do is double click on it if you have Springy. It'll pull it open, Mac user RAR, double click on it right here, and it'll open it up in preview. So now you guys see I have the entire magazine, but this is in PDF format, and I'll get to that in a minute. So as you guys know, in OS 4.0 you can view PDFs on your iPhone or iPad or anything like that. You can view full PDFs, and I think for magazines it's probably best to keep them in PDFs. But if you want to convert it into an EPUB format, which is the iBooks format, I'll show you guys how to do that in 1 second. So this looks like a really new, modern tech magazine. So what I like to do is I go Save As, and then see it's saving to this Springy folder. I haven't really figured out how to change it to desktop by default. So I click Save, and then as you guys will see right up in the top corner, right here, here's my Mac Users Guide in a PDF. So you can go ahead and quit out a preview. Now that we have a PDF file, you can drag that into iBooks, I believe. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert PDFs to EPUB format. Now this is how I've gotten all of these books. Now this is the last step to my getting free books and magazines for the iPhone and iPad and all those other devices. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to search and download any of these books in a file format. So for example, say you want to download the a book on developing iPhone applications. So you're going to go and you're going to search for it. So search for it. You should go iPhone Development for Dummies 2nd edition PDF download. So make sure you guys write PDF download, search, and it'll come up with lots and lots of different options. So you have to really hunt for it. If you're trying to get a really modern book, it does take a lot of hunting. Now, depending on the book you're getting will depend on the ease of your download. Sometimes you can just search for it in Google, just search PDF download, and you have to hunt a little bit and find somewhere a website that lets you download it in a PDF for free. Or what you can do if you want to, I'm not recommending this, but I'm saying it's another option. You can go onto a torrent website like the Pirate Bay or Torrents with a Z. So right here, if you guys see Torrents, this website, you can search for it and download into a torrent file. I'm not going to show you guys how to do this, but you download it on a torrent file, and then you open it with something like uTorrent, and you will get a PDF. Now, as you guys see right here, I have this book, which is iPhone App Development, and it's a PDF. It's the entire book, cover to cover, and now we need to get this into an EPUB format so that we can view it on our iPhone. Or we can view it with the same viewing options that you get with normal ebooks on your iPhone. Now this will work with any book similar to this. I did the same process with all of these books, and it worked great for me. So you're going to need to download an application called Calibre. Now this is an amazing application. I can't stress this enough. I just downloaded it today and it's worked beautifully for me, thanks to another YouTuber. I forgot his name actually, to be honest, but I promised I'd give him a shout out because he did leave a really good tutorial. This guy, Random Tech Kid, go check out his channel. He did a really great video on how to get free iBooks. This is the method he uses solely. I wanted to show you guys multiple methods, but I did learn this specific method from him. So download your book in PDF format and open up Calibre. It's a free download. The link to download this application will be in the description. And here is the application when you open it. Now when you first open it, it'll ask you some settings and stuff like that. It's fairly straightforward. Now looking at this for the first time, it is overwhelming. I have to admit I was a little confused. Now up at the top, this is where the magic happens. So you're going to have all these different options. You're going to have the option to send it straight to your device, edit the metadata, convert books, view, show books in library, show books on my iPhone or my iPad, fetch news, save to disk, add books, remove books, and this will remove it off the hard drive, not off the application. Just keep that in mind. And I believe this is preferences. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your PDF that you downloaded from the web. PDFs are just the easiest, by the way. It It can convert from multiple different file formats, but I'd always search for PDF because it is the simplest. So go to Calibre, and it takes a couple seconds. It's adding the entire book to my library. Alright, so there you guys have it. So here it is. Now what you can do, this is something I'd recommend, go into Edit Information and choose the title that you want it to be called, obviously. So let's see what it is right here. What the hell? Okay, so iPhone application development for dummies, that looks about right. For Dummies 2, 2nd edition, 2009. I don't want this little crap at the end, so I'm going to just delete that. Author, I don't really know who the author is. Author sort, you can just delete that. Tags, so say you have a series of books, like for example when I was doing the Harry Potter book, you can click on series and it'll give you, if you type it in one time, then you can keep adding the same series and it'll keep track of which book in the series it is. You can download a cover, so say you want a new cover, you click download. Or say the PDF file didn't come with the original cover, click download. 9 times out of 10 it'll find the cover on the web for you. If not, just Google it, drag it to your desktop, click this button, and it will, and then just add it to the book cover. And so once all your information is square, click OK. And then you're going to want to click on this button right here that says Convert Book. So you click on this, and it pulls up a similar looking window, and make sure that your input format is whatever it originally was, which is PDF in this case, and then your output format is EPUB. Now you can see there's multiple different ones, but EPUB is the one that iBooks uses, and it's the best one for this situation. So now that this is all square, just click OK, and it starts converting it. And as you see right here, it says jobs. You can click on jobs. Oh, see, okay, this is exactly what I was going to get to at the end of this little section. This application does crash if you have the newest version of everything. I have the newest version of Snow Leopard. For some reason, it's crashed probably 3 times on me. I don't know why, but it has, but it's not really an issue. It still keeps everything. It's not like you're losing all your data. So you go back to Convert Books, same thing, click OK, and it'll start converting again. Now let's hope if I click on jobs, yeah, as you see right here, it's converting. Now it only takes probably about a minute, if that. Let's just wait for it. Alright, well this is taking a little while. Oh, maybe not. I was gonna just come back to you guys at the end of this video. Almost done. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Let me know if this video is helpful to you. I really do appreciate it. Let me know what you want to see from me in the future, and I'll be sure to answer all the comments I can. I'm usually really good about responding to comments, so if you have any questions for me, leave it below, and if it's not like a really obvious stupid question, then I will most likely answer it. Or even if you're just saying good job, I'll probably respond and say thank you, because I do really appreciate it. So now that that's done, you click that, and then you can exit out of this application. Now what I did at first is you can click this button right here, which will send it straight to iTunes, but and then it syncs the device. I don't really like using that method, to be honest, but it's not the biggest deal. So you can exit out of that, and as you guys see right now, it has a folder that says unknown. That's just because I didn't know what the author's name is, but whatever the author of the book is, that's what the folder will show up for. And you can choose where it'll save the folder. I chose to save all my ebook folders to the desktop just so I know where they are. But if you decide not to do that, you can always just search for the author's name in Spotlight, and you should find it fairly quickly. And here it is. So it says iPhone application development, and then it gives you 3 different things. It has the EPUB version, the iPhone application original PDF, and the cover for the book. So you just take the EPUB, drag it into your iTunes in the book section right here, and there you guys have it. iPhone application development for dummies. And then obviously you go to your iPhone menu and you sync it, and that's how you get free books. Now what I was saying with the magazines, you could do the same thing, or you can just drag the PDF straight into iTunes, but whatever your choice is, doesn't matter to me. It's personal preference. Very, very easy way to get free iBooks. This video was covering basically all the different ways that you can get iBooks for free. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a comment below. Let me know what I missed. If you have a better method, leave a video response and I'll be sure to accept it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see all of you next time. Peace.